sure to subscribe down below. So you guys, for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a little updated room tour. I had posted something on TikTok a while back on my room. If I find that video, I will post it up here so you guys can see how my room used to look. If you know me, you know that I usually like to have my room completely white because I just feel like it's very, like, I need my room to always be bright, you know what I mean? But this time I decided to incorporate a little bit of greenery and a little bit of gray into my room, and I thought I would show you guys because I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And I found some great things in like random little stores here and there. Literally, you guys, I spent a whole ass day going to different stores.
Oh my god! Wow!
So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it inspires you in some way, you guys. If it does, please make sure to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. You know what I'm saying? Support your girl. But yeah, you guys, usually I only like my room to be completely white. So your girl is stepping out her comfort zone, I guess. And we're doing big things. You know what I'm saying? Like adding gray and green to our room. But anyways, you guys, let's get right into this video. So to start off, I bought this lamp at Target. I believe it's called the floor lamp. I did buy it at Target for $34.99, I believe. And it did come with its own set of lights, although I switched it out and put some bright lights. I really like white or bluish tints on my lights, so I also bought the light bulbs at Target, and I believe they're like $9.99 or something like that. And then you guys, as far as my little plant, I ended up getting this one at Hobby Lobby, and I believe they had 50% off on the wall or on this section, so I got this for 50% off, and I got this base for 50% off. So if you have not watched my Wayfair review, make sure to go check it out because that is where I got this very beautiful dresser. If you have not checked out that video, make sure to check it out. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. But yeah, and then you guys, I honestly I usually don't have tissue boxes inside my room, but I thought it was a good idea to have some. I'm always eating in here. So yeah, so I decided to place this tissue box here, and I actually got this one at the Dollar Tree for $1. You guys, so I also picked up this hand sanitizer, and I believe I picked this up at the 99-cent store. This was $2.99 at the 99-cent store. $2.99 at the 99-cent store. Damn! Don't make sense, sis. Anyways, you guys, for this little like decor piece, I actually DIY'd this. I bought this frame at the Dollar Tree for $1, and then I actually just printed this out from Pinterest and just placed it in here, and I thought it was super cute. And it says, "You are gold, baby, solid gold." Remember that, ladies, remember that. And then for this, you guys, so this is a quote that I found in a book that I really love, and it said, "Nothing happens without a decision to change." So I got this from the book. I believe it's called the 24-hour turnaround, and this was actually a frame, you guys, from the Dollar Tree, but it broke on the process of me putting it in. So I just left the glass and I taped the sides. I need to get a little frame to replace this, but for now it'll do, you guys. I just literally taped the glass to my little quote. But yeah, so that's what I did for this piece, you guys. And then this guy right here, I actually found this at the 99-cent store for $2.99, but I thought it was so cute and just the perfect little piece to put on top of my dresser. I did find this plant at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off its original price, which was super bomb, and it was the most affordable one that they had with the style that I was looking for. And then this little rustic piece, I actually found this as well on Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love it, you guys. For the next piece, you guys, I also DIY'd this guy right here. I got the frame again from Dollar Tree, and I printed this out at home, and it was a quote from Pinterest. It says, "She believed she could, so she did," with a little heart. I thought it was so cute. And then for this piece, you guys, I've been having this piece for years. I don't remember where I got this. It might have been Dee Dee's or Ross, but it's super cute. I love having really cute quotes in my room. I feel like it's just so inspiring and motivational. It does say, put your hair up in a bun, drink some coffee, and handle it. I love it because my hair is always up in a bun, and I need my coffee like 100 times in one day. I know that's bad, but I love coffee, so I thought this was perfect. And then for the next pieces, you guys, these might be a little crooked, I don't know, but if they are, it's, you know, it's coming along. This piece right here, you guys, I also got this frame from the Dollar Tree, and this background is also from Pinterest. I found it and thought it was so cute, so I just framed it. And then I love Marilyn Monroe, guys. I literally, since I was a baby, I feel like if every time we went anywhere, I would always pick up something Marilyn Monroe and I would hang it up in my mom's house. But yeah, this piece, you guys, I actually found many years ago. I don't remember where. This next piece, you guys, is also another Marilyn Monroe one that I have from many years ago, which I don't know where I found again, but they were super cute and they've kind of just stuck with me everywhere I've moved to. So I actually don't have a bed frame. I did DIY one a long time ago, but that one got a little old and dirty, so I just threw it away. I found this at Home Goods, and this was actually supposed to be like a photo, or like a where you like pin your photos, I believe. I forgot what it's called, you guys.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But this was actually, I believe, $12.99, and I said, are you freaking kidding me, you guys? Look how pretty it is. I love the little stud details and the color of it and how it's cloth. Like I absolutely just fell in love with it. And I said, wow, I can definitely like use this as my headboard.
Boom!
Like, look at how cute it is. It literally worked out perfectly, and I'm just so obsessed with it. You guys, I've honestly been thinking about getting rid of my twin bed. Yes, I do have a twin bed, but my room is so tiny. If I were to have a full bed or a queen bed, I feel like it would take up all the room. That's why I have not thrown this out yet. And yeah, so anyways, it all worked out because this was the perfect size for the bed. Yeah, so for the next piece, I found these satin gray pillow set of 2 at Ross. I believe it was like either $6.99 or $9.99, don't quote me, I can't remember. And I thought it was so cute, and it would go with my theme, and it definitely added a little pop of elegance and color to my room, which I absolutely love. These, I believe, I've had for, I believe, since the beginning of this year. I actually found these at a Ross on my way home one day from the Bay Area. I got this set of 2 for, I believe, $20, which was not bad. These fuzzy little pillows, you can usually find them anywhere, but they're super expensive. However, yeah, when I seen that it was the 2 of them for $20, I said, all right, let's go. And then this comforter and this fitted sheet. I believe it's a cotton fitted sheet, which, you guys, I'm obsessing over. It's the first time I ever have a cotton fitted sheet, but I love it. I got this comforter at Ross as well, and I believe it was only $29 for my little twin bed. I found this throw blanket at Home Goods. I believe it was $12.99 or $16.99. And then, you guys, next I have my curtains. So this tulle one that I have here, I actually got this at IKEA for $4.99. Lit. And then, you guys, this the 2 gray panels, I actually got these at Ross. I believe these were at Ross for $9.99, the set of 2. And I honestly am absolutely love how it looks. And then right here, you guys, I have my little TV that was passed on to me by my brother, which was passed on to him by my sister. But yeah, so he actually gave this to me a long time ago when I moved to Sacramento. So yeah, I put my TV there. And then I have my little vanity set up, you guys. I got the lights from Amazon. These were super cheap on Amazon, you guys. I believe you can just search up vanity lights and they will come up. But yeah, definitely check those out on Amazon. And then that mirror and the desk I got this desk, I believe at IKEA a long time ago. I can't remember. You guys don't mind my fresh laundry. I just got it out. I am obsessed with this. It's for my makeup. And literally, you guys, I take it everywhere. I'm always going to the Bay and back to visit my family. So this is perfect. I got this at Ross's reopening, and I believe it was $4.99, you guys. It was $4.99. So bomb. And then, yeah, and then that little stool you see right there, I got that at Didi's. I got it for $5, which is bomb for a little stool. You know what I mean? To just sit on and do your makeup. I don't need nothing fancy, just something simple. But yeah, I really need to update my desk though, you guys. It is a little bit old, but that is okay. It does the job. And then over here, you guys, I have my little desk. I found this at IKEA for $34. This is actually supposed to be like an office drawer type of thing, but I made it for my hair and makeup. But yeah, so I got that at IKEA. And then this I've been having for years, you guys. I don't know where I got it, but I love it because this ring light lights up and you can just do your makeup on there. And it has the regular mirror, and then the back is like the magnified version of it. But yeah, for the next piece, you guys, I got this little, I really needed a like shoe rack. So I got this shoe rack, you guys, at Didi's for $9.99, which I thought was bomb because I have so many shoes. But yeah. And then up here, I got these little shelves at IKEA. Each of them were $7.99, you guys. Although I had a candle on here and it burnt the bottom of the top shelf, you guys. So I think I'm probably just gonna spray paint that section or something. I don't know. But yeah, I got these shelves at IKEA. And then this little frame and this little frame right here were gifts from one of my mom's friends on my birthday, which I absolutely love. Good vibes always. And that one is so cute. It's a little llama that says hello. And then this is just, I believe, one of my awards from Paul Mitchell. You can see my name on there, but yeah. So I found my little Buddha, my little green piece, and the XOXO at the Dollar Tree, you guys. $3, and look how beautiful that looks. Cute. And then this piece, you guys, I actually made this in my art class. It was a wire project. She is supposed to be a little fairy. Look at her wings, you guys. So cute. But yeah, you guys, and then I ended up finding this cute little rack at Didi's. I believe it was $6.99, and I just have my little backpack, my camera bag, my little masks, and my towels, and my little robe hanging on there, you guys. But yeah, and I got my little trash bin also from Didi's. And for my rug, guys, I actually found this at Ross for $34.99, and I am obsessed with it. I love the gray color and the fuzziness. I think it is super cute, and it ties everything in together. So I definitely love my rug. And then one last thing to show you guys is, so the last thing I'm going to show you guys is actually one of my favorite parts of my room. I do have a wall mirror that one of my mom's friends actually gifted me many years ago, which I just got back because I used to live in apartments, and where I lived at, I couldn't have that on the wall. So now that we moved to a house, I was able to bring it back from the Bay Area. So I am so happy to show you guys that. But yeah, take a quick look, you guys. I absolutely love it. Ended up adding these LED lights. I got these LED lights on Amazon. I think it looks so cool. Like if I turn off all the lights, you guys, like how refreshing does that make my room look? Like I absolutely love it. However, it did not fit all the way. It literally just ended there, but that is okay. I don't know if there's a way that we can literally like cut this part off and just leave it to where it ends right there. If any of you know what I could do, please comment down below and let me know, because I tried to do something about it, but that's electrical, so like it kind of started, I don't know, like messing the whole thing up. So I was like, never mind. So I just left it like that. But yeah, the LED lights I believe were about $14 on Amazon. I could be wrong, it could be cheaper. I'm not sure. If I find the right price, I will link it down below for you guys. But I absolutely love my mirror. Alright you guys, so that was actually it for today's video. I was scared to throw in a little bit of gray and greenery because I didn't know exactly how I was going to place it or where I was going to place things. But you guys, honestly, when I tell you that it took me hours, it took me hours. But yeah, I really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it as well, please give it a big fat thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. And also you guys, make sure to turn your post notifications on so you're notified every single time that I upload a new video. I post a lot of fun content. You make sure to check out all my other videos, you guys. I recently chopped my hair off. I know, I'm always doing something crazy to my hair, but like, if you subscribe right now, just giving you a heads up, girl, I might look different in like the next video. Just a little heads up, you know what I'm saying?
Stop it. Get some help.
Your girl's always up to something. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please make sure to give it a fat thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.
I just need you to know I'ma always stay a blue strip, keep the shit 100, yeah, cause loyalty don't cost nothing. I'ma hold it down, girl, I hope that's worth something, yeah.